Cheers, friends. We have a new property for sale in Annandale, New Jersey. 34 Willowbrook Drive in Clinton Township offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and that first floor office that could be utilized as a media room as well. Nestled in a cul-de-sac, it's conveniently close to 78. We will be hosting mega open houses this week. Join us on Friday night from 5 to 7 for cocktails and cheese and crackers and appetizers. Saturday from 1 to 3, as well as Mother's Day Sunday from 1 to 3. If you have any questions, give us a ring anytime, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.